Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a courier service business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start a courier service business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. 1. Select the proper vehicle. To begin your courier service, you will require a dependable mode of transportation to deliver packages. Many full-time couriers prefer cargo vans for this type of delivery service because they offer the most cargo space for transporting the items you are carrying for customers. You could also use a pickup truck. 2. Purchase the correct equipment. Having the proper equipment will increase the efficiency of your courier delivery business and save your back from the pain of carrying boxes. The type of equipment you require will be determined in part by the items that you will pick up and deliver for your customers. A simple dolly or hand truck is essential if you are mostly delivering parcels or boxes. A standard dolly can be purchased for around $20 at major retailers such as Home Depot, Lowe's, or Target, or you can purchase moving equipment online here and have it delivered by Amazon. You may also require cargo straps, moving blankets, and tape. 3. Give your company a name. The name you choose should reflect your company's values and mission. Before settling on a name, check with the Secretary of State in the state where you intend to do business to ensure that the name is not already in use by another company. You should also check sites like GoDaddy to ensure that you can get the domain name for your business. After you've decided on a name for your company, you'll need to establish a legal entity. If you are the sole owner of the company, a sole proprietorship may be the best option. If you have business partners, an LLC might be a better option. LegalZoom is an excellent resource for determining whether your business name is already in use and registering your business entity with the state. 4. Obtain business insurance. Your courier service will require business insurance for your vehicle, cargo insurance, and possibly liability insurance. Having an insurance policy is also necessary for establishing customer trust. Many businesses and individuals will avoid working with an uninsured courier service. To find out how much it will cost to insure your company, contact a local commercial insurance broker. This cost will vary depending on your location, the type of deliveries you make, and the perceived risk. 5. Promote your courier services. To begin, you can use social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to communicate with your friends and family. Create a business page on each of these social media platforms. Most courier companies will need to market to other businesses that are in need of a courier. This can be accomplished by creating a list of businesses that may require a courier service and then cold calling and emailing prospects, or by dropping off your business cards. Online marketing and advertising can also be a low-cost and efficient way to reach out to business owners. Both Google AdWords and Facebook have user-friendly self-service platforms. Customers can be targeted based on the keywords they search for, as well as their interests, demographics, and location. 6. Keep all of your receipts. Tracking your expenses is critical as a small business owner. Some expenses incurred while running your courier business may be deducted from your taxes. You should also keep track of how many miles you drive because this can be used as a tax deduction in some cases. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a courier service business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.